Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying power and basic connections so you avoid chasing phantom problems. Verify the battery is fully charged and power the headphones off. Wait 10 seconds, then power them back on and immediately test audio. This simple cycle clears temporary firmware hiccups. Once done, plug a known good 3.5 mm cable and test, then pair with a second Bluetooth device to confirm whether the issue is wireless versus hardware. This narrows the fault quickly. You now move into the diagnostic middle, software and internal wiring. First, check for and install any firmware updates. Updates can restore channel routing. Next, carefully clean the 3.5 mm jack and charging contacts with compressed air and a cotton swab. Dirt causes channel dropouts. If your model allows, open the ear cup seam to visually check the ribbon cable and solder points. Look for loose or disconnected wiring. If you see a detached wire, you can reseat or professionally resolder it. You finish by executing definitive fixes and preparing fallbacks. Perform the factory reset by holding power and volume controls as specified. This reinstates default audio routing. If one side still fails and you found internal damage, either resolder the loose joint or arrange a professional repair. Make sure to check warranty status and contact Beats support before irreversible repairs. They may offer replacement. If all else fails, one key tip: test with a known good TRS cable and adapter to rule out connector incompatibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.